All right, Joanna. So reach into your socks and get a pleck because we're going to do some licks. Okay, so we had just a couple of sort of hammer-on, pull-off type stuff. So the first thing we did, well, the licks we already have are the ones that are on the page. Are this one? Okay, so pull off, both on the third fret, first and second strings, and then you're sliding up. And remember, the trick to the slide is to keep the pressure on as you're going up. If you just, if you take the pressure off, that's what's going to happen. The other one, your lick, was starting off on the third fret, whoop, slipping it up to the sixth fret, and the pull off. Then the other one was second fret on the fourth string, pull off, same again on the next string up, and a good drag up here, and then pull it off. Now remember, as you were saying, you only play it as fast as the slowest bit. So if you're doing this, that's no good because there's too many gaps, right? So you need to slow it down. Okay? So it's all smooth, all steady all the way. So the new thing we did was two new techniques, right? So putting two pull-offs in a row. So like this, with your third finger and your first finger, it makes it kind of easier than doing it like this, okay? Okay, so get them both down, both firmly down on the same string. Drag it again, okay? Okay, and you can get crazy speeds once you get used to this stuff, okay? So that's the first one. And you can do that wherever you want too, maybe fifth and third, sixth and fifth, whatever you want. So then the other thing was a hammer on followed by a pull off. So like this, right? So you start off on an open string maybe. So you pick it, hammer it, drag it. Pick, hammer, drag, okay? And remember, the trick to a hammer on is really whacking it down, okay? Really nice and snappy. Make sure it's you're not sort of doing this, right? Kind of laying your finger down on it like that. You want the very tip of your finger smacking down on it, okay? And then the little lick I wrote down for that was this string, open, third fret, pull off. That's the first string. Second string, exact same. And then the open bottom E string, okay? So that's however fast you want, but slow it down at first, okay? All right, I'll see you next week.